All right, it's time for final assembly. So the goal is going to be that since this has been taken apart, it had a bad battery in it. It is a 10 amp hour 12 volt battery that I purchased. And I'm going to install it here in just a second. And we'll see how it goes. Stay tuned. Battery is now installed. And I will start the assembly process. Black to black and red to red. We'll see how it goes. We'll go from there, see if it works. Backside of clamshell installed. All I need to do is insert the screws, and just realized I forgot to install the handle. I'll have to pull it back apart. We'll go from there. Unit has been assembled. It's plugged up. The Xantrex power pack sound is ready to go. Set at 90% charge. Let's see. Lights are working. I'll eventually plug in the phone and see how it works, and we'll go from there. Recycling something, bringing it back from the dead, putting a new battery. Success. Ready to be used in the next power outage. Thanks a lot and have a great day.